In this section of in this video, we're going to start working with Google Drive, right? Remember that Google Drive is a way to work in the cloud with documents, with presentations, and with the creation of Google Forms, which is very good for education. Okay, so whenever we want to go to Google Drive, we type, of course, Google Drive. Okay, it says, well, stored in the cloud, okay, etc. And we go to Google Drive. Okay, in this case, I have directly gone to my account because I had already signed in. Okay, but if you haven't signed in, remember that you have to sign in with well, I'm going to do it, okay, so that you can see it. Okay, all right, so you will just go to Google Drive. It will go to my account, and I have to type again the same one, the same password as we have for Gmail. I mean, for all the Google world, we have the same password. Okay, so well, maybe you have some information about Google Drive, you know, privacy, whatever. But if we click here, we can go directly to Google Drive. Okay, so that's my unit, and share with me, whatever. No. All right, first of all, we're going to go to this section of new, nuevo, all right? If I click here, I have subir archivo, subir carpeta, carpeta nueva, whatever, okay? In this case, I'm going to show you how to start creating a Google document, okay? Documentos de Google or Google Documents, okay? I click here, and what we have is a normal Google page, okay? The same as if it was a Word, okay? So whatever you type here, this is the practice for Google Drive. It's the same as we're going to have in a Word document, okay? But what is the advantage? That you are working online, you are working with something that you can insert in your blog very easily, okay? So this is just a Google document, okay? And if we type here in archivo, okay, you can also go to publicar en la web, publish on the web, okay? And then you can have, you can obtain the link to publish, okay? I go to publish, sorry, and we have here the link, okay? Control C. And why is this important? Because we can, I mean, give information to our students that we can insert in the blog by, I mean, with this means, all right? So if imagine that, for example, we have a list of irregular verbs, okay? We just copy and paste here, and then our students can have access to this web page because they have a link, okay? If we have a Word document, it would be in your computer but not in the cloud. That's why Google Drive is so interesting for education, okay? So once we have this publicar en la web and this link, then we can copy this and insert it in our blog, okay? So if we go to Blogger, we come here, we go to the blog of our course here, and and we can make a new post, and here we compose and we say you will find a list of irregular verbs here, and we paste the document, okay, like this, okay, like this, and then we publish it, and it should work, okay? View blog, okay. You will have a list of, you will find a list of irregular verbs here. Oh, but we have to link, okay? So we go here, and we have to create a link, okay? For example, linking here, we create a link, okay? All right, we have done it here, okay? Linking, okay? Update, view blog, And if you want to share some information, you will find a list of regular verbs here. Then they click here and they will go to the document. Okay, in this case, this is a practice for Google Drive, that this is something that we just made as a practice. Okay, so as you can see, it's very simple for you to create documents in Google Drive and to share them with your students. Okay, just remember clicking here of Nuevo and Documento de Google. All right. Imagine, for example, also that you have a very interesting document, okay, for example, a Word document in your computer that you want to upload to Google Drive. Then you can come here, subir archivos, and in this case you can insert whatever you want, okay, here in order for you to have it online, okay. We just upload this document, okay, and you can see all this information over here. Okay, good. So this is something also that you can do, not only just to compose new documents, but also to upload documents that you have in your computer. Okay, so you can store them online and share with your computers online.